Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into bootloader. To get started, you will want to turn off your phone, so swipe down twice from the top of the screen, and then right here in the corner you'll find the power button. Click on it and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume, I believe it's up. I'm trying to remember. Let's try volume down. Oh, and I was correct, so it's volume down. Good that I tried it. So you can see once you hold both power button and volume down at the same time, in a moment you get taken to this mode right here, which is our bootloader. And in here you can see each one of the options that we have access to listed one by one right here, and you can cycle through them using the volume buttons, either up or down. As you can see, they will navigate up or down. So if we scroll down, we have a next option, restart bootloader, which does absolutely nothing, as it brings us back here. Next we have recovery mode, then we have power off, barcode, bootloader logs, and we're back to start. So I'm gonna confirm start, which will reboot the device and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.